Hi, welcome to the Introduction to Power Plants training. I am Mr. Swick, your trainer. Initially, Engineer Otto, our subject matter expert, will ask you some questions to test your current knowledge on power plant processes. Upon securing at least 80% in the course end assessment, you will be awarded a completion certificate. By the end of this course, you will be able to list the various power plants, list the components of thermal power plants, and explain the working of the various systems and equipment used in thermal power plants. Thermal power plants are used to generate electric power. During this process, some of its electric power is sent to desalination plants to run pumps and other electrical equipment, whereas turbine exhaust steam is sent to desalination units for heating the seawater and making vacuum for the production of potable water. Let us start by going through an overview on the steam power plants. In these plants, water and steam are the primary energy carriers and are termed as working medium. Now that we have some idea about the steam power plants, let's look at the condensing turbine that drives these power plants. Now that we have studied the condensing turbine, let us have a look at the back pressure turbine. Steam plays a vital role in thermal power plants. It is the main working fluid that runs the plant. Water reacts to heat in a certain manner depending on how much it has boiled. Based on this, there are three different forms of steam. These are dry, wet, and superheated steam. The latent heat of evaporation plays a vital role in the generation of steam. We have learned that steam plays a vital role in thermal power plants. Now we will look at the working of a thermal power plant. In a thermal power plant, the boiler produces steam. Control valves regulate the steam flow to the turbine. The steam then expands and performs mechanical work in the turbine. From the turbine, the extraction steam goes to the feed water heater, while the exhaust steam goes to the condenser. In the condenser, the exhaust steam is cooled by circulating water and condensed to form pure water, also known as condensate. The condensate is supplied to the boiler through another feed water heater. The extraction steam heats the feed water before it reaches the boiler. A feed water control valve controls feed water flow to the boiler. Here is a brief summary of what you just learned. In a steam power plant, water and steam are the primary energy carriers. In a condensing turbine, the prime mover of steam power plants is operated.